There's our main coming in through the foundation, 6-inch PVC coming through. Y, 2 cleanouts for test under there, floor drain and vent for the fire riser room, bathroom done on test. There was a leak there we had to repair from the dig. Here's the other pipe going down. Floor drain and vent. Elevator pit hole drilled. Other test riser for this side, back bathroom. Riser, drain, AC condensate drains, font drain, other font drain. Had another leak at the end of this footing we repaired. Kitchen. And that's it.